could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no one for me, it's only you. I wanna be what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Together, oh yeah. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is the time, then I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love unto you, my baby. I promise you my side, be there to cool you out and let you know everything will be alright.
Bye.
I wanna be down with you. No matter time, it's true. I wanna be down, got to be down. What you go, I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter time, my day and night, it's true. Wanna be down, like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no one for me, it's only you. I wanna be what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Together, oh yeah. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is the time, then I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love unto you, my baby. I promise you my side, be there to cool you out and let you know everything will be alright.
Bye.
I wanna be down with you. No matter time, it's true. I wanna be down, got to be down. What you go, I wanna be down. No matter time, my day and night, it's true. Wanna be
Hey y'all, so hope that y'all enjoyed that little voiceover in the beginning. So now guys, look at how we looking. It looks much more tamed, much more put together. I decided to do a side part because this side I have never really worn out. This side is a little bit rougher, so I tried to work with this side just before I actually convert over to taking these out. As you guys can see, it was very, very simple to do, and I put a little gel right here just to give like that baby hair kind of, you know, little trendy thing that we do on the side. I don't normally do that, but it looks super cute. Very, very simple to do. I'm probably gonna keep this up until I take these out, which will be probably next weekend, because this weekend I don't really have time to take them out. But yeah, when I take them out next weekend, they would have been in officially for like a week, or I'm sorry, a month and like 3 weeks, I think. 3 to 4 weeks. 3 weeks. Yeah. So if you have any questions down below, I mean, leave them down below. Let me know, girl. But yeah, we look cute. We're gonna keep working what we got until we get what we want. Obviously, these are locks, so you can keep them pretty rough. And I think that that's more acceptable because they're a lock style, so they're not as put together as I mentioned in my other video. But if you guys want to kind of have a little bit more chic, a little more edges more tamed and so forth, I would do that. And also refreshing your hair is very important, even when it's in a protective style, because when it's in a protective style, you want to make sure that your hair is actually protected. You don't want it to break, so you still have to moisturize it. So that's why I did the water, the leave-in conditioner, and that oil prior to putting any of the other stuff on. So hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.